The big game is fast approaching, but wait, you still haven't got your tickets. You've spent hours searching, but you're still confused about ticket prices. Time to stop searching. Visit ticketcompare.com. We compare ticket prices for all the popular leagues and tournaments for you. We work only with the most trustworthy sites, so you can have peace of mind when buying your tickets. Compare prices, buy tickets, get to the game. Ticketcompare.com. Buying tickets made simple.
Iborra has an injury hamstring. I think it will be not available until the end of the season, I think.
Disappointing because you're already short, numbers in midfield as it is.
Yeah, of course. We are unlucky about our midfield in this moment, and with Iborra, with James, and with the sending off from NDD, of course. But I'm confident with Silva, of course, and with a young player, Choudhury. It would be a good opportunity to start the game and to play to have game time with the first team. I think it's a good player, close the team. And with the confidence, with all his teammates, he will play.
Amarty, how's things looking with him?
Amarty come back slowly. He was always on the gym, and I hope he can come back on the pitch next week.
The big game coming up. Burnley now 6 points ahead of you. In terms of trying to get that 7th spot, is this a must-win game now on Saturday?
Yeah, of course, it's a decisive game, important game. But to play this game with the right attitude, and I think we needed to think about our play and to try to play and to correct, for example, some things. From the last game, it was not enough in the first half. We know why, and now it's important to put the good ingredients in these games. After the result, of course, we will see at the end, but the most important thing is to have the good focus, good concentration about our play, and to find again a good start in our games.
Disappointing result, obviously, last weekend. But what's the spirit like at the moment amongst the team? How are they heading in to this game? What's their attitude like?
I get some frustration sometimes in the club or outside out of the club, and I think it's normal after last game without enough quality. We know this, and it's important now to react, to give a good response in this game, and to make amends on Saturday, of course. And I think we work it and we train it well this week, and I hope we can. Give us a good feeling seeing this week on the pitch.
What have you made to the reports that we've seen this week that there was unrest amongst the players, that some of them aren't happy with training, that they're saying that there's too many changes in terms of the players? Are you aware that there's that feeling? Do you think there's any truth in it?
I think when we finish it, we finish a game with this quality. Last game without the good tempo, the good quality, and it was a big disappointment, big frustration for all. And I can understand this. I think now it's important to look forward and together to give the good response. I think also when I come in, I tried to put in place a style to give more response, more possibility for the player to play against any opponent, to have the ability to play in counter-attack, or sometimes with possession and set attack against a strong defensive unit, for example. And we played a very strong game, very interesting, with quality, with a lot of tempo and a lot of chances. And sometimes it's not a good game. And I think it's a new development of the team, without always the good analysis, because it's new. And I think for the moment the player, the squad, perhaps sometimes like reference about this play and to correct the situation. And for example, I think last game we needed to correct the intensity, the tempo in our play, to put the opponent under pressure, and to try to play forward, and to take our responsibility on the play with an open play. I think it's important, and to correct all the part in our play, but we are not for the moment enough habits to have always a good consistency in our play, and the good ingredients, I think. But it's normal, and but step by step we will improve. But sometimes, of course, it's not the game we would like to play.
But do you feel that you've got the support of your team, and they're happy with how you are as a manager and your tactics?
I said when we win the game, and we have had a lot of comeback from the play, from people. They were enjoy about the game, they were enjoy about the result and all the things. Of course, when we lose a game and without a good play, some frustration, disappointment, but we needed to try to keep the good analysis, and to keep the right weight in all conditions. And I think with always the same emotion when we win a game. Okay, it's a good result, it's a good performance, but it's not finished. And when we lose a game, okay, it was not enough, and we need to correct, and together to give a good response. It's always important to keep the right way, and the good analysis after the games.
But you think, obviously, a big game coming up against Burnley, you think they're going into it with the right frame of mind, and that they are together as a team and behind you?
Oui, mais vous avez là un grand match samedi. Vous trouvez que l'équipe, ils sont bien solides mentalement, et vous comptez sur leur soutien?
I think it's always a good challenge to play a decisive game, but it's always important in this situation just thinking about the result, but to think about our play, and to give the good ingredients on the pitch. This is the most important thing. But of course, I'm confident in my play, in their quality. We have to success to put in place since the kickoff the quality, the good intensity, the good aggressiveness. After I know we have quality to give the good response together.
You've obviously come in. The team were down in the relegation zone when you came in. You're now battling for that 7th position. So they've moved up a lot. Does it upset you then when you see negative things being written?
Long, quand vous êtes arrivé, vous étiez en bas du classement. Maintenant, vous luttez pour éventuellement jouer la Europa League. Ça, vous êtes un peu déçu quand vous voyez des articles un peu négatifs sur l'équipe?
No, disappointed, because just before the game, I was, for example, nominated with in the fall for the best trainer of the month, and one day after, it's another thing. I think it's a Premier League, and just to take this with philosophy, and without all the bad things, it's. This championship is demanding, and we need a result, of course, but for a trainer, for a manager, it's always important. The most important thing is to keep the right way, and to keep players, sometimes fans, sometimes press. I think it's the right way because I think we improve a lot since I come in here, and the player with their performance, with a collective performance improve, and I think we show a lot of quality in a lot of games. Often without, I think, the good reward at the end with a good result. And sometimes some games of some first half in our game were not enough, and after it's normal to without success to win and without a good result at the end. We needed to find the good maturity about the analysis of our game, to give the response and to continue this way with consistency. I think it's a new style with new possibility, and sometimes we have some problems about the consistency in our play. But I'm happy with my play, with listening since the beginning, and of course we are ambitious, and now we try to finish well this season. And it was a disappointment, big disappointment after Newcastle, because we wasted points and we wasted this game, and of course in the course of this place, of the 7th place, it's difficult to accept this. But if we just we look behind us, I think we have this possibility in this time to play forward, to play a decisive game in this moment of the season. Is great also. It's not bad, and we know. We have to don't forget where we were a few months ago.
Last one, please, Kirsty.
Yeah, finally from me, what do you make to Burnley, the season they're having, and the job that Sean Dyche is doing there?
I think it's a fantastic job for Thin, and for his team. It's a team. They play a few seasons together. They improve a lot every season, and now they found a good maturity in their play. With consistency, and I think this team, since the beginning of the season, put in the good places on the table, and always give a good response, good consistency. But this team, this play a lot of time together with the same style, with the same quality, and they improve together. It's a long time they play together. I don't know. I didn't say that it's normal, but it's good to find a team keeping his player a long time, and to have good possibility, good time to work with his team. It's a good reward for their managers, their staff, and for the squad.
Hi, Claude. You said this is a decisive game. Is this a Europa League playoff this weekend for you?
I think we will have the two next games. This game against Burnley and the other game against Southampton. They're crucial games for me to decide if we can believe on something or no for this end of the season. It will be a good challenge, and we have to start against Burley, of course, because now they have 6 points in advantage, and we know to make a fantastic game against this team. And we will see.